Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check last seen on TikTok. So let's go back to our TikTok. You open your TikTok here. Okay, TikTok, open your TikTok. I'm going to show you how to check your last seen, maybe your own last seen or your friend's last seen that you follow on your TikTok. So this is our TikTok now. Let's go back to this interface here. Sorry guys. Okay, let's go back here. Alright, so I've opened my TikTok back, and this is it. This is the interface of our TikTok now. So I wanted to check out. And God will make a way. Sorry guys, where there seems to check out to see the last scene. So you're going to check this on your profile. You click on your profile here, you click on the stream menu button here, click on the stream menu button, and you come to this. Sorry guys, you come to this stream menu button. Then you come to this privacy and settings. Come to these settings here. Then you come to this privacy here, and this is this. So now this activity status, you must make sure that you always open this thing here. So once you always make sure you turn it on. Once you turn it on, you and your friends, those that follow you back, you'll be able to see their activity status when last they are seen. Is it yesterday? Is it the day before yesterday? And they will also be able to see when last you are seen. So that is it. So now, if you are unable to see when last any friends is online, that means the person has not followed you back. So you can only have access to see their last scene if you follow them and they follow you back on your TikTok. So it is very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.